Hello everyone and a very warm welcome. In today's tutorial, we'll go ahead and convert Word documents to PDF with accuracy and high fidelity. With a converter, you can effortlessly transform the Word documents into beautiful looking PDFs, that is, files with the correct fidelity with just a few button clicks. So without wasting any further time, let's get into the demo. So what we are going to do is we are going to create an automated flow. Let's select our data source as SharePoint and we'll select the trigger when a file is created or modified properties only. We will go and select the site address and we'll select the library name. Next, I'll use the SharePoint get file content action. To the get file content, I'll pass in the site address and the identifier, which is the output of the get file created or modified action. Next, I'll add the Muhimbi action. The Muhimbi action is responsible for converting the documents to PDFs with right fidelity. So let's go ahead and look at the options that Muhimbi provides. First, I need to pass the source file name. So I'll pass in file name with extension, which is the output of the trigger. The file content, which is the output of the action above, that is get file content. Next, I'll say that the output is PDF. Next option is display for reviews, and it shows up as final because that is the default option. This is a Microsoft article which I recommend you to go ahead and visit if you want reviews to be visible on the document. As you see out here, you can have simple markup, all markup, no markup, or original. You'll find similar options out here such as final, original, final showing markup, and original showing markup. You can also go ahead and set up the markup mode. Do you want the balloons to be visible? Do you want it to be inline or do you want it to be mixed? You can also choose what happens with the bookmarks. For example, do you want to go ahead and disable bookmarks? Do you want to have automatic bookmarks? That is, a converter will look into the documents and if there are headings in the document, it will convert them into bookmarks, or you want to have a customized bookmark appearance. For this particular demo, I'll leave it at default. You can also go ahead and convert specific pages. For example, you have a 1000-page document, but you're only interested from page number 1 to page number 10. You can specify a start page such as 1 and end page as 10. It will convert only those 10 pages. I would say this functionality is similar to extracting pages from PDF. Here you can also specify the quality. You can say optimize to print or optimize for screen or original. Override setting is optional. We'll not get into details, but just an FYI. If something is not possible with the out-of-box options, you can also specify additional options in the override settings. Finally, do you want to fail this action on error? So if something goes wrong, what should happen? Do you want to fail the action? Yes or no? If you set no, it will go to the next step. We'll set it as yes. Next, I want to create the file back into SharePoint. So let me quickly select the SharePoint connector and I'll say create and I'll say create file. I'll specify the site address. I'll select the library where I want to write the file. I'll give this a file name, which is base file name. That is the file name without extension. So I'll type in .pdf and I'll say processed file content. And I'll give my flow a meaningful name. So let's go ahead and test our flow. I'll say automatic and I'll say test. I'll upload the document and this should trigger my Power Automate. While the flow is running, let me quickly open the source document and show you how it looks. So our source document looks like this. It has approximately 88 pages and it has a table of content and it is a quite complex document. So let's go ahead and see how does the output document look like. So I need to go into the PDFs folder and here, my friends, within few seconds, you have a PDF. And let me quickly open it in browser. You have got the converted PDF. The converted PDF has got the right fidelity. It has also got bookmarks out here, which helps you with easy navigation. If you look at the PDF generated, The links or the table of content links are clickable. That means you can go to the right section by just clicking on the table of content. So that's pretty much it. I hope this demo was informative. Thank you for your time and bye bye.